On May 31st, it is the birthday of my daughter, si Mayor Sara. When I was cuddling the baby, kasi Bisaya ako, I said I'd call her Inday.
Tinig mo'y sigaw ng masa, ngayong ikaw ay hinahatulan ng dayuhang walang alam. Sino ba ang nagmalasakit? Siya ngayon'y pinapahirap. Pilipinas ay lumuluha.
Today, be true to your country, work hard for the people. And the rewards, as I think maybe they're made in heaven, not here. Trabaho ka lang and be good. Happy birthday. I love you.